Hi, hello everyone. In today's session, I am going to discuss oxides of phosphorus. Oxides of phosphorus. At phosphorus mainly have two types of oxides. One is trioxide, another one is pentoxide. This area is very important in objectives. So I'll explain the completely about the phosphorus two oxides. First one, atomicity of phosphorus. This is P4. Atomicity of phosphorus is 4. If this one is react with limited amount of oxygen, it gives phosphorus trioxide. Phosphorus trioxide. Formula phosphorus trioxide P4O6. This is always diatomic molecules. Here 4 phosphorus atoms. Next one 3 2 are 6. Next one, the same phosphorus atom react with oxygen, but your condition is excess amount of oxygen, then it will give phosphorus pentoxide. Formula is P4O10. A phosphorus trioxide, this one is trioxide, and this one is pentoxide. Okay, students, pentoxide and trioxide. No, if limited amount, you supply the limited amount of oxygen, then it will give trioxide. If you supply excess amount of oxygen, this is treated with excess amount of oxygen, it gives pentoxide. Okay, students, phosphorus trioxide and pentoxides. Now we'll discuss the structure of what type of bonds present in air and what type of hybridization exists between them. These all are, we'll discuss one by one. First one, phosphorus trioxide. See, in phosphorus trioxide. At phosphorus trioxide, formula of this one is P4O6. This is the phosphorus trioxide. Here, each oxygen, this is the tetrahedral arrangement. Each oxygen bonded with 2 phosphorus, like this. This is the structure of phosphorus trioxide. Phosphorus trioxide. Valence electrons of phosphorus are 5, but each phosphorus bonded with only 3 oxygens. Remember it. In phosphorus trioxide, each phosphorus bonded with only 3 oxygens. Remaining 2 electrons are called one lone pair of electrons. So this is the structure of this one. Next, important students, how many POP bonds are present in phosphorus trioxide? See, one of the previous questions, all are, what type of questions are coming from the previous exams? Phosphorus trioxide, in which POP bonds, totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 POP bonds are present here. Next one, more important students. Here, what is the hybridization of phosphorus? Around this, 3 bonds and 1 lone pair is there. So phosphorus always having sp3 hybridization. The hybridization of phosphorus here is sp3. Next one, what type of bonds are present in phosphorus trioxide? It is no doubt all are covalent bonds. All are covalent bonds because all are sharing of electrons. All the bonds are found by sharing of electrons. All are covalent bonds, and hybridization of phosphorus is sp3. Number of POP type of bonds are 6 bonds are there. Next one, very important question, students. The ratio of, this is the one of the previous question in competition exam. The ratio of lone pairs of phosphorus to the oxygen in P4O6 molecule. Very, very important, students. The ratio of lone pairs of phosphorus to oxygen in P4O6 molecule. See, students, from the diagrams, observed here, totally 4 phosphorus having 4 lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons. Phosphorus, lone pair of electrons on phosphorus atoms. On P atoms are 4. Next one, lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom. Students, here oxygen atomic number 8, its electronic configuration is 2, 6. So here out of 6 electrons in the valence electrons, 2 electrons bonded with 2 phosphorus, remaining 4 electrons are non-bonding electrons. These non-bonding electrons are called lone pair of electrons. So each oxygen having 2 lone pairs. Totally 6 oxygen, 6 2 jar, 12 lone pairs are there. So according to given case, ratio of lone pairs of phosphorus to the oxygen. Here the ratio is 1:3. 1:3. This is the information about the phosphorus trioxide. Remember it, structure and what is the importance here. Think about this one. Next one, hydrolysis of phosphorus trioxide. What type of acid is obtained? See, students, phosphorus trioxide formula is P4O6. Here, hybridization. Next one, hydrolysis of this one. It means treated with H2O, hydrolysis, H2O. It gives phosphorus acid. The formula of phosphorus acid is H3PO4. Next you see, students, how to balance this. Here 4 phosphorus atoms are there, multiple with 4. 4 6 are 12 oxygens. Right there 6. 6 plus 6, 12 oxygens. See, students, hydrolysis of phosphorus trioxide. Hydrolysis of phosphorus trioxide, it is always gives H3PO3. This is called phosphorus acid. So here P4O6 is called anhydrous. Anhydrous of phosphorus acid is the H3PO3. More important, students, P4O6, the oxide which is hydrous gives a particular acid. So that given oxides are known as anhydrous of the given acid. Remember it. More important point. The P4O6 phosphorus trioxide is anhydrous of phosphorus acid. This is acid. Next one, basicity of this one is 2. About the basicity, I will explain the next class. So acids, it gives only one type of acid, that is phosphorus acid. Okay, student, this is the complete information about the phosphorus trioxide. Next one, discuss about the phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide formula is P4O10. There are no lone pairs. One coordinate covalent bond or double bond is there. So this is the structure of phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide. Okay, here is also POP bonds are 6 bonds are there. Hybridization is also sp3, but 3 covalent bonds. One is coordinate covalent bond or dative bonds. In P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide having 2 types of bonds. One is covalent bond, another one is coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. These 4 are coordinate covalent bonds. Remaining all are covalent bonds. There are 2 types of bonds are there. Now here is also hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Next one, see students, here hydryls of phosphorus pentoxide. Hydryls of phosphorus pentoxide will get phosphoric acid. Formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4. Here P4O10 is called anhydrous of phosphoric acid. This is ic acid. Its base it is 3. This is the information about the phosphorus pentoxide. Next one of the previous questions, students. How many shortest bonds present in P4O10? P4O10. Here answer is, students, 4. See, out to 4. Remaining all are covalent bonds, but these 4 are coordinate covalent bond or double bond character. So you know, generally single bond length is more than double bond. This is more than triple bond. Here 4 bonds are double bonds. So the double bonds are shortest bonds. These 4 are double bonds, or this is coordinate covalent bond, double bond character. So these 4 are shortest bonds. Okay. This is the complete information about the phosphorus trioxide and pentoxide. Moreover, it is more important in competition exams. Please, students, remember them.